Everyone is asking me how they can build a big rep collection like me for so cheap. So I put together my own spreadsheet with over 5,000 finds, and as you can see, this thing is insane. So we've got the prices and notes here, and if you want to find any links, literally just press on the link just like this and it will take you right to the Kakobuy link. And once you open it, of course, you can see your colors, your sizes, and even QC pics as well if you want to check out the quality. And I promise you, everything in the spreadsheet has been carefully picked, and we only take stuff from the best sellers. We don't like adding random links like other spreadsheets made by random Chinese people, but we got some real people to make a real spreadsheet here. So everything in the spreadsheet, you can trust the quality. And if you want to use another agent and not Kakobuy, for example, you can just click on the Weedian link and copy and paste this link into your own agent. And as you can see on the bottom, we literally have every single category for PC users, phone users, shoes, everything. We even have a top batch, which is what I recommend if you're looking for the top quality items and you don't care about the price. I highly recommend it. Everything is 1-to-1 and it all fits true to size. And if you want to ship stuff out for as cheap as $1, which is absolutely crazy by the way, just go into my bio and I've left a £400 coupon pack as well as 2 exclusive coupons just for our community here. So just scroll down and you'll find it.